Everyone, today we are going to learn one important trick to find out root values of imperfect squares like root 17, root 7, root 3, root 2, etc. Like this root 17, root 7, root 3, etc. And we can find out this value within 5 seconds hardly even. So let us take the first example. So suppose we took this root 17 first, then we write root 17 like this, and then we can change the value form of this root 17 like this 16 plus 1, or you can say this plus this. Okay, so we can say that we have converted this form, this root 17, into this form x square plus y. Okay, and the solution of this form would be x plus y upon 2x, but sometimes we opt minus sign also here. If we take minus here, then we have to take minus here also. Now it depends on situation, so we will discuss everything in detail going ahead. Okay, so first let's find out the value of root 17. So we have to break this like this, and then the answer will be like this. So we got x is equal to 4 here, so we write 4, and then we have to have plus sign because we took plus sign here. Okay, so it would be 1 upon 4 into 2, then 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8, it means it will be 4.125. This is the answer. This is the approximate value, not the exact. The exact value would be somewhere 4.123, but that you got hardly within 5 seconds if you practiced well. It was the first scenario. In the second scenario, if we opt minus sign here, then we have to put minus sign here also like this, x square minus y, that will be equal to x minus y upon 2x. Okay, so if we break 17 like this, so root 17 is equal to root 25 minus 8, then x here will be what, 5. So we can write like this, 5 square minus 8. Okay, so the answer would be like this, x is here 5 minus 8 upon 5 into 2. So this is 4. So answer would be 5 minus 5 by 4. It means 4.2. So now you can understand which one is the nearest answer. The nearest one is this. That's why we prefer this one. But it depends on the gap. If we, if we subtract 16 minus 17, that is equal to 1. So, and if we subtract 17 from 25, that gap would be 8. So when the gap is minimum, the answer is nearest. Okay, and when the gap is maximum, the answer is farthest. Okay, so we always opt for the minimum gap. Okay, let's take some more examples. Now suppose we have taken one more example, that is root 11. So the nearest square of 11 are 9 and 16. Let us check the gap, the differences between the two. If we subtract 9 from 11, we got 2, and if we subtract 16 minus 11, we got 5. So we will go for this to get the nearest answer. So now we will break 11 into two parts, that is 9 plus 2. 9 is the perfect square, so we can write it like this, 3 square plus 2. So x is here 3, So write 3 here plus like this, and then we will cut it, and it will be 3 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 3.33. This is the nearest answer. Now root 10, so break it again, it will be 9 plus 1, and we got here x, that is equal to 3, so 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 2, so 3 plus 1 upon 6, that is 3.166. The nearest answer is this. Next example, suppose we took root 3, this is the example number 4. So we can write it like this, 4 minus 1. Okay, and we have to put minus sign here, and we got x as 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2, that is 2 minus 1 by 4, that is 1.75, and this is the nearest value of root 3. The exact value we know, that is 1.73. Okay, so this time, first time we use the minus value, minus sign also. Next example, suppose we took root 13, so we can take 13 like this, 9 plus 4, or like this, 16 minus 3. Okay, so this, this is the nearest, 16 is the nearest to this one, 13, so we will go for this. So we can answer it like this, this is 4 minus 3 upon 4 into 2, that is equal to 4 minus 3 upon 8, and finally we got the answer 3.625. This is the nearest value. Now the next example, suppose we took root 5, this is example number 6. So again we have to break it like this, 4 plus 1, not like this, 9 minus 4. This is not acceptable because the gap is more here, difference is more here. So go for this plus sign and answer it like this, 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2, that is 1 by 4, 2 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 1.75. Sorry, we opted for plus sign, so we have to write here plus sign, that would be 2 plus 2.25, that will be 2.25. Answer will be 2.25. Let us take few more examples to make it more clear. So the next example is 7th example. Now suppose we took root 30, break it again, 25 plus 5, that will be the breakup, and then use plus sign, so 5 will be here, and again 5 upon 5 into 2. Okay, so 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 5.5. That is your nearest answer. Example number 8, root 43, root 43. So breakup would be like this, 49 minus 6. Okay, so we have to use the minus sign here, so 7 minus 6 upon 7 into 2, so 3 by 7, that is 7 minus 3 by 7. So the final answer would be 6.57. So now it is a matter of hardly 5 seconds. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.